So I'm speaking to you today from the City Hall, where we're attending the nursing conference. It's actually 2 years since the last conference. I can't believe 2 years have passed. And I've just been looking at the 81 posters that staff have put up for us to all look at. And there's fantastic stories in each one of those charts about the work that people are doing to move our services forward or understand what our patients need more expertly, or to deliver things in new ways. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. The theme of today is really about understanding that the work that nurses do is absolutely core to caring for people and keeping people well. We've heard patient stories which have really brought home just how much those small details really matter. We've talked about our values, and we've also had the opportunity to celebrate some of the fantastic role models, those inspiring nurses that we have in our organisation. It's also 100 years since another nurse heroine passed away, Edith Covey. 100 years this year. It's a sobering thought, really. A First World War, and someone who was killed, frankly, for being a nurse. And it's right that we should be celebrating her inspiring role as a nurse leader today. So one of the messages I think I'm taking away from today is just what a talented group of people we have right across the organisation, but particularly in the nursing workforce, who, as everyone has been saying, work tirelessly all the time at that front end of what we do, hands-on patients, caring for people and keeping people well. You can also see that I've got my badge on. I've had my flu jab. Last year we were just around the half of our staff having had a jab. We really like to push that one a little bit further. It is a key part about caring for people and keeping people well. It's an opportunity that we can take to protect ourselves and our families, but also the patients that we're caring for, many of whom are very vulnerable. And just a quick word about last year. Last year's flu vaccination wasn't as effective as in previous years, but it still had a positive effect. And we don't know whether this year is going to be a more challenging flu year, but if it is, we need to try and take every single precaution that we can. So I'm encouraging everybody to have a flu vaccination this year.